Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Audio Maker tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write, but may function a little differently. The Audio Maker tool is useful for making text audible that you can save to listen to in the future. Whether it's an ESOL student wanting to learn to speak English, or a student wanting to listen to revision notes rather than read them, Audio Maker is great for this. The Audio Maker tool can be used on any online text, whether it's work from a lesson, a student's own work, or an online resource. On the Read&Write toolbar, the Audio Maker tool is the document with the headphones icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words Audio Maker appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the Audio Maker feature, firstly, highlight the text you want to be turned into an audio file. Then simply press the Audio Maker icon. You will see a Creating Audio box appear below the Audio Maker icon, and the loading bar will fill as your text is turned into audio. The audio will be MP3 and downloaded directly to your computer downloads. You can then listen to your audio.
Before the advent of rifles, many cultures around the world hunted by pursuing prey over long distances.
In the Read&Write settings, under the Speech tab, you can choose which voice you would like to hear when your audio file is speaking. You can also set the speed of the voice.
Nearly every weekday afternoon, Matilda was left alone in the house.
So that is the Audio Maker feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.